Although we have been fighting the flow of the lava through the defense walls of the Svartsengi geothermal power plant in the Iceland Reykjanes Peninsula, it has not stopped. The flow is yet continuing, and I will prove it to you by showing you the speed of these flows. And this is 60 times speed. You can see that the work is going on, and we're trying to stop this flow. At the moment, around 50 people are working in that area, and this is the flow. You can see this is around the edge of that hill, Slingefell, and defense wall. You can see the flow of the lava coming through a lava tube, actually, and the single one which comes through a ramp. We have built a ramp around it to direct it that way. Otherwise, it would have gone to the left. Is also continuing. I will speed up this one also. The work is yet going on, and the lava has not stopped. They are coming through the lava tube, not over it, through the cold lava, not over the cold lava. That makes it really difficult because we don't know the volume of the material is still waiting. We are still working on to cool it down. It has not been able to do it. It cannot stop it. This is the map from the MBL, beautiful map, and I've marked the area that is now the breach of the wall in the defense of the Svartsengi has happened. 3 lava flows, and we are building a new wall. The original one has been breached in several places. This is the second time such a thing happened. 3 streams are flowing now, has not been stopped.